All right, guys, we have this CR125 ready to go back together. It came to me in baskets, literally. So to have this thing come back together today, new suspension, fresh engine, everything rebuilt, everything cleaned, it is going to look like a factory CR125. So it's my favorite part. It's build day. Let's get it. far so good. As you can see, this thing is looking unreal. Everything coming together good. Motor in, suspension in. Dan and the team at MXRP have done a wicked job on the fork and shock. Can't underestimate and can't explain how much that changes the look of a bike. Unreal for what's got to be 20-year-old suspension by now. Yeah, hasn't been touched or anything. So yeah, the team done a great job there. This motor's looking sick with the Easy covers on it. Everything coming back together. So today we pretty much want to get radiators, everything done. Got a carby to go on, got heaps of stuff laid out, ready to go on. Got some heat tape from the team over at JPM there to go on the tank, and yeah, the rest of it to go on. So we've got our bits and pieces there, pipe, muffler, everything to go on to get this CR125 back up to spec. All right, guys, there it is in its naked trim. Who doesn't love a bit of naked trim out there? But it's yeah, she's done. Fuel, water, oil, and she's good to go. But we'll chuck some graphics on it, get it looking cool. Yeah, to get it to this point has been it's been fun. It's yeah, it's really cool being able to do these things again. But yeah, we'll chuck some graphics on this thing, get some fuel in it, some water, some oil, and off we go. And just like that, well, that's how some of them do it, right? But just like that, a complete transformation. Graphics kit on, looks sick, everything's come together good. Had a special request for a bit of a leopard print design going on, but also to try and keep it pretty plain and basic. So took care of that, got it printed, and yeah, it's really really finished this thing off. So yeah, couldn't be more stoked to see like the final look and the final product of the bike. One last thing to do really is start her up. There. Hey! Alright, got a bit of fuel by a third kick. How good's that? A little bit of fuel leaking, so float issue, which is, yeah, we rebuilt the car, but we didn't touch the float or anything like that. But I've had this before, and it's tripped me up a little bit. But more fuel isn't a bad thing. Obviously, it's getting too much fuel, so you know, it'd probably be boggy or whatever. So you don't want to go off of that. But sick, third kick, she's fired up, and yeah, good to go. But we'll check that bowl issue, get that float right. But yeah, stoked. Woo! For a bike that hasn't been running for a good couple of years, yeah, awesome to have this thing back up and running. Like I said, a few little tweaks, which is always the way with these things. But yeah, couldn't be happy with how it's come out and finished off this build. Thanks for watching. Yeah, it's the first one, like I said, and like I'll sort of keep saying it, we'll just keep getting better with them. Any comments or anything like that, chuck them down below. Yeah, anything that you've seen, let me know. Could be done differently. You would have done it differently. I would have done differently. But yeah, that's it. CR125 done and dusted. Catch you later.